Easy Lift Equipment is proud to introduce our drum hauler with magnetic empty drum handling clamp. What makes this drum hauler special is the 4 electrically activated magnets which grip, lift, and release to quickly unstack and transport empty drums. These magnets have been programmed to use a remote control to allow the operator to activate and deactivate the magnets easily and efficiently. The pole shoes of each magnet are powder coated to minimize abrasions to your drum's surface. A series of highly visible LED lights positioned at the top of the drum hauler's battery box lets the operator know when the magnets are energized or de-energized, allowing them to grip and release the drums as needed, safely and confidently. Each drum hauler is supplied with 4 remote controls for your magnets, which can be handheld or mounted in any number of locations on your drum hauler for personal ease and accessibility. Prior to beginning, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, magnet cables, as well as battery and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous use. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To start the unit, turn the key to the on position. Then turn on the master switch of your magnet control box. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Also located on the tiller handle is a horn button and a red emergency stop button. If the red emergency stop button contacts the operator while moving in reverse, the drum hauler will stop and move forward to help prevent any injury. A turtle button is located on the underside of the tiller handle to allow the drum hauler to be moved with the tiller handle in the fully upright position, as well as provide a creep function for precise positioning. Before beginning, the operator should also verify that the magnet remote control is in proper working order. When the LED lights are on, the magnets are energized and will hold drums. When the LED lights are off, the magnets are not energized and will not hold drums. The green thumb control on the tiller handle is a variable speed control which allows the drum hauler to travel in a forward or reverse direction. Each drum is held by 2 independent magnets inside of stainless steel housings which articulate to aid the operator in positioning the magnets against the empty drum. The stainless housings are supported by springs which act as shock absorbers, allowing the housings to flex down should the operator contact the drum too hard. This reduces potential damage to the drum, while the lower third of the drum is supported by a composite belt. Unlike our other clamps and attachments for handling full drums by clamping the drum's chime, this new magnetic clamp uses electrically activated magnets to lift and release the empty steel drums. This model can handle 1 or 2 drums at a time. This drum hauler is available in both standard E rating as well as EE rating for Class 1 Division 2 areas. All drum haulers are designed to maneuver and make tight turns in confined areas, featuring a completely counterbalanced base frame requiring no outriggers for stability. The drum hauler seen here has a single-stage mast for handling double-stacked drums. It is also available with a short 2-stage mast for handling triple-stacked drums. In addition to the drum hauler with magnetic empty drum handling clamp seen here, we also offer a forklift-mounted equivalent. This empty drum handling attachment is powered by 2 large 210 amp-hour AGM batteries, providing enough power to the magnets to unload up to 3 trailers of triple-stacked drums between charges. As seen in this video, our empty drum handling clamp is capable of gripping, lifting, and moving both closed-top and open-top drums. Engage the magnets prior to approaching the empty drums that you intend to clamp and pick up. Doing so will help ensure a tight grip as you push the clamp against the drums. It is recommended that you disengage the magnets when not in use. Leaving the magnets engaged for an extended period of time could wear down the battery life. As stated earlier, each drum hauler is supplied with 4 magnet remote controls. All 4 remote controls are factory synced to your magnets prior to being shipped to minimize downtime if one of your remote controls becomes lost or damaged. Both the drum hauler and magnets are powered by a large 24-volt industrial battery, capable of running for up to 16 hours between charges on a fully charged battery. For handling larger diameter salvage drums, it is required to move each carriage-mounted mast out to the widest setting. This process consists of simply lifting a pin and sliding the mast in the required direction. In the case of unstacking smaller 30-gallon drums, you will be required to move the magnet masts to the innermost setting using the same one-pin process. Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, weighing, or dispensing drums since 1997. When finished, you should always place your drum hauler in a safe location and lower the clamp. Prior to powering down the unit, you should always disengage the magnets by pressing off on the remote control. The magnets will stay energized if you power down the magnet control box or drum hauler prior to disengaging the magnets via the remote. Once the magnets are disengaged, power down the magnet control box and turn the drum hauler off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.